What's up, everyone? Check out this really cool 3-tier storage rack. This thing can support 150 pounds on each level. These 3 racks would be so nice to have in your basement or your garage just to store all your different supplies. It's a really solid wire rack. It's extra supported with those triangles on there. Kind of gives it just that little extra bit on the sides, that stability. So you're talking 450 pounds of material that this storage rack can hold. It's super heavy duty. It was really easy to put together. It took about 10-15 minutes. Really nice part about here too is they have these adjustable feet here so you can level it off if you have an uneven surface. And this thing is just really stable. So I love that it comes with these caster wheels. These would be really nice to put on there. Just be able to roll it around on those hard surfaces. So whether it's your garage or your basement or even like a low pile carpet, these things would roll on there well. So this storage rack measures 18 inches wide by 47¼ inches long and about 40 inches high. I feel like this is just like the perfect height rack. It's really easy and convenient for anybody to reach. So if you're looking for a high quality storage rack, this one here is a great option. Thanks for watching.